Looping statement in C++. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. If you want a statement or a set of statements to be executed a number of times, we can use the looping. The advantages of looping is it saves time and it reduces errors, make code more readable. So if you want to execute statement 10 times, if we are not having loop, we have to write those two statements 10 times. So if you use looping, it will save time. Just we can type the statement only one time. We can give under looping, so it will be executed 10 times. So since we reduce the number of lines, it will reduce the errors and it will make code more readable. So there are three types of loop statement: while, do while and for. So the first one is the while statement. So this is the syntax for while statement. While condition within braces, we have to specify the block of code to be executed. So this is the example. So I is equal to 0 while I less than 5. So I is equal to 1. So 0 less than 5, condition true. So it will enter the statement and see out the value of I, that is 0. I value will be incremented and it will become 1. 1 less than 5, condition true. It will enter the loop and see out the I value, that is 1. So the while loop will be executed as long as for I is equal to 4. So 4 less than 5, condition satisfied, it will see out the I value, that is 4. So when the I value becomes 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, so it will come out of the loop. So we can see our output. So it starts from 0 and print until 4. So next one is the do while loop. It is similar to while loop. So this is the syntax: do, so within braces, number of quotes, and while condition. So at the end of condition, we have to specify the semicolon. This is the syntax. And this is for statement. So for statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. So statement 1 specify the execution of code. So that is initialization of the I value. And statement 3 represent the condition and statement 3 is the incremented value. So this is the example for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. The same code. So we have specified inside the for loop. So I takes the value 0, it will check the condition and this for statement will be executed as long as the condition is true. Once the condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop. So break, we have already seen break in a switch statement. So the break will come out completely of that block of statement. Say for example, in the for loop, we have started with I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So the for loop will be keep on executing. So once it reaches I value is equal to 4, it will come out of the looping statement. Okay, so the output of the statement is 0, 1, 2, 3. So once it reaches 4, it will come out of the program completely. So this is the use of break statement. So next one is the continue statement. The continue statement breaks one iteration if a specified condition occur and continues with the next iteration. So the continue statement just break the current iteration. It just break the one iteration in which the condition is true and it will continue from the next iteration. So the break statement will completely come out of the program. The continue statement skips one iteration and continues from the next iteration. The same coding, just instead of break we have given it as continue. So see the output of this program 0, 1, 2, 3. So when the I value reaches 4, it will skip that statement. It won't print the I value and it continues from the next iteration, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the break statement, it comes out completely. The program stops in that statement. So here it will skip the one iteration and continue from the next iteration. Thank you.